Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a quick flea market find video. I just got back and I found a couple treasures. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. Figured I'd just shoot a quick impromptu, no edit, nothing in my my ever-growing dirty garage. I gotta get this bench cleaned off. I need the bench. But yeah, grabbed a couple axes today. This one's a sweetheart, man. It's a Collins Homestead Jersey. And it's small. It's like it's a little bigger than a boy's axe. Probably 2.5 pounds. I don't have my scale out here, so I'm just gonna have to trust me on that one. It's a small Jersey as far as jerseys goes. I've got quite a few, and that one's smaller than anything I've got. It is on its original handle. Just kind of looking at it, it's not bad. I could probably reseat it, and then it's got a little ninja shelf down there. I could probably reseat it and put some boiled linseed oil on it, and it'd be good enough. It's got a big old knot in the fawn's foot, though. That's weird. Never seen that. It's not like a to die for handle. You know what, let's get a tape measure. It's probably 36 inch. Yeah, 36 inch. It's a sweet axe though. I'm happy about that one. I grabbed this one. It's a Craftsman. It's got a beat up mushroom pole, but the bit's okay. The handle's junk. I don't care. I need this for the axe class. That'll make somebody a nice axe. Craftsman. I don't get too excited about Craftsman axes. That one's got a pretty nice thin long bit though. Oh, I can feel it. It's already coming off. Somebody's awesome wedge job. Yeah, that worked good, huh? Then I saw this. This was a deal. This is a Easy Red brand battery service maintenance kit. Brand new in a box. I'm opening it for the first time. Alright. By the way, axes were $10 a piece. This was $10. I have some of these. I don't have this whole set. It's Christmas. Sorry guys, no tripod. Anyways, I saw this thing and knew what it was as soon as I saw it. And I'm like, yeah, buddy, I'll take that for 10. And I think, oh man, look at this. These are good tools, guys. This is a good brand. I've been using this stuff since I started. Back in the late 90s. So you get a nice battery terminal puller. You can also use this to pull windshield wiper arms. Works good for that. This, I think, this is the best. These are awesome because so it's like a 4-in-1, right? So you got a reamer to clean out the inside of your battery terminals, and then you got another reamer to clean the outside of them. So it like takes a layer of metal off of your battery terminals. And you got a nice, this is for your side post, nice wire brush for your side post. That's like the best, that's the best way to clean a battery terminal right there, is with those reamers. Clean out your cables and stuff. And you get, these are ratcheting wrenches. So this one should be 5/16 for your side post. Reversible. And you get a long one, which is another 5/16 side post. And then this one should be 10 millimeters, so I thought. So this should cover all your side post batteries. And then these pliers, I'm not 100% sure what they're for, to be honest with you, other than maybe to grab a hold of the nut on the old school battery terminals, because sometimes it's a square nut. You can't get a wrench in there. And then this should be a spreader. Yep. So your old school battery top post, this is a spreader. Spread it open so you can put it back on. Anyways, that's a sweet kit. I've always wanted one of those, but I never really wanted to spend the money on it. Or it just never was that important, I guess. I got by with what I had. But batteries were a sore subject for me anyway. In the dealership, they expected us to put batteries in for free. They didn't want to charge the customer for installation, so they didn't want to pay the mechanic to install them either. So I guess you guys can figure out I didn't install a lot of batteries. I don't have to worry about that now, though. I'm in the place pays me by the hour. And then I grabbed this. This is, who knows? This was a 12 pack of Sharpies for $2. I half expect these to be dried out, honestly. Let's try it. Let's see. You can never have enough Sharpies laying around. I'm always losing my Sharpies somehow. Oh, it's not dried out. Works. At least one of them works. That's worth $2 right there. Let's see. My favorite color. Here, we'll give you a little heart. Don't forget to like the video. Anyways, that's my little, let me back up. That's my little haul for today. I need to clean this bench off. It's awful. Alright guys, stay tuned for another video. See ya!